This is Obsidian 5024 3-box break. It's a random team. We will spin the list of teams 5 times. Team on top will go to Maynard. The team on the bottom will go to Jonathan. And the team that's in spot 19 will go to Darcy Nelson. And, well, I'd imagine the Hornets are going to be somewhere around there. First break luck. 2, 3, 4, fifth and final time. Phoenix down to the Clippers. That has been saved under where you purchased your spots in this break. We'll have a look at a couple of the main teams, but we're going to start in spot 19 for Darcy. It's Boston. Good team to get. Wolves are in 29 to Dominic. Wizards 2, Joseph, Jersey Joe, Helmet Joe. He'll be any Joe you need him to be. GSW 6 to Lewin. And the Hornets are in 9 to Patrick Undy. Good luck. 5024. Undy. Yeah. It's UNDY. That's what it says. Undy. Good luck to you, Patrick. And everybody. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Okay. Pitch black base of Westbrook. Little rough on that top edge, actually. The whole way along is like the BGS don't grade this. 70 of 99. Base. Numbered base. 67 of 99. Lonnie Walker. Oh, Undy's on Twitch. Kelly Oubre Jr. Twitch is just more popular every day. Josh Green, rookie for the Mavs. Oh, Magda. He thinks he's missing out on something, so he gets straight over there. Mello. The old Oregon jersey. Now at the Lakers. A volcanic auto to 25. It's a green of Glenn Rice for the Heat. Heat. $13 of 25. And a Galaxy Auto 22 of 50. John Sally. That may be jumper jersey number. I don't know what number he was, but it's definitely 2 something looking like a 2. John Sally. 22 of 50. $22. Thank you, Pack. So it is jersey number. Not that that will make you feel any better. A Eclipse die cut of Gordon Hayward for the Hornets. 60 of 75. Also purple is this Tyler Herro. Actually, is it purple? 2 of 99. No, it's base. Rookie base of Alabi. K-Mid for the Bucks. Moses Brown rookie for the Thunder. Seven of 49. It's an Obi Toppin rookie jersey auto for the Knicks. Purple. Knicks. I didn't read them out. Spot 8. Patrick Undy. The big Undy. Undies. He's over on Twitch, so look out for some excitement there. Undro, there he is. Just with it. Nice. Bailey has got somebody unnecessarily excited in the chat. That was 7 of 49. I don't know if I said that, but he saw the Hornets logo and it's 91 of 149. It's Caleb Martin. And if you're getting excited for that, Bailey, that's a permanent timeout. Yes, I can see it's an auto. We know the one Hornet you want is a redemption. I don't know if Larry Johnson or anyone has signed in this. Like, they've pretty much got every other old boy. Larry Johnson would be cool. Giannis, tunnel vision, just the base. Suspended until further notice. 83 of 99. Michael Porter Jr., 92 of 99. Dragon. Kemba for the Celtics. Cool photo on that card too. Oh, Bailey's over on Twitch crying because he got timed out. Good. Jaden McDaniels, rookie. For the Raptors to 149, it's Baines, but a different Baines. If Lake is still watching, he'll be keen on that. And finally, to 25, this should have a very nice patch in it. It does. Tyrese Halliburton, dual rookie patch auto, orange. And look at those patches. They are full chunkers like me. Big old chunky. Sacramento. Spot 13, Pax Langworthy. There he is. He's on YouTube. Nice hit, Pax. That's a cool card. Nice auto too. Fully on the sticker. Stickers are very subtle on these cards that have the lines. Pew, pew, pew. So like on something like this, you notice it straight away. But on this, they are hidden quite well. So it looks good. That is a nice finish to 5024.